Cheap tech gadgets usually come with low expectations. You buy it hoping it works, and most of the time, it disappoints. But if you dig a little deeper, there are some Amazon gadgets that break that rule completely. They're affordable, surprisingly reliable, and way more useful than their price suggests. So let's check out a few gadgets that are budget-friendly, but still look and feel premium. Number 12. Aurzen ZIP. This is the first Z-shaped tri-fold DLP projector, ultra-compact and pocket-sized. It folds down to nearly the size of a wallet while delivering big screen projection wherever you go. With a built-in adjustable stand, setup is instant. Just unfold, place it, and start projecting. No extra mounts needed. Using advanced DLP technology, ZIP offers sharp, high-resolution visuals with vibrant, true-to-life colors. It provides authentic 100 lumens brightness and native 720p resolution. Number 11. X-Fly Bionic Bird. The X-Fly is a next-gen smartphone-controlled bird drone, featuring interchangeable batteries and advanced gyroscopic sensors for precise flight. Its ultralight 12.2-gram body, with a 380mm wingspan, boasts a robust, impact-resistant structure. Designed with a unique flapping wing mechanism, it can perform stunts and glide efficiently. With up to 12 minutes of flight time, a quick 12-minute recharge, and an intuitive smartphone app, Android only, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Number 10. Baseball glasses. Capture sports and everyday moments with these AI-powered smart sunglasses. Say Hi Cyan for object recognition, AI dialogue, and translation in 26 languages. Durable and secure, they provide up to 5 hours of music or calls and 4 to 7 days standby, recharging in 65 minutes. Connect via the Hey Cyan app for live preview, file transfer, and hands-free calls with noise cancellation. Anti-glare lenses and comfortable design ensure precision and all-day wear. Number 9. BOOX tablet. The Note Air 3 features a 10.3-inch Carta 1200E ink screen with sharp black and white contrast, a thinner glass panel, and a glare-free display that feels like real paper and is easy on the eyes, even in bright sunlight. Powered by a fast octa-core CPU up to 2.4 GHz and running Android 12, it offers smooth performance, great app compatibility, and enhanced security. Its 3,700 mAh battery can last up to 4 weeks on standby, keeping you going longer between charges. Slim and lightweight at just 5.8 millimeters, with a premium aluminum body and wide grip, it's comfortable to hold for long reading, writing, or drawing sessions. Number 8. Smart Digital Calendar. Keeping a busy household organized is a lot easier when everyone can see the same schedule. The ultimate smart wall planner doubles as a shared family calendar, syncing appointments, tasks, and events from services like Google Calendar, iCloud, Outlook, and Cozy. Its interactive touchscreen also includes chore charts, meal planning, shopping lists, and customizable rewards that help kids build better daily habits. Smart reminders and live weather updates keep everyone prepared before heading out the door. The HD display can be mounted horizontally or vertically, blending neatly into kitchens, hallways, or home offices. Premium features such as Magic Import simplify adding events from emails, while photo screensavers turn the display into a digital picture frame whenever it's not in use, making it practical as well as visually appealing. Number 7. LumiCard. Meet LumiCard, the future of mobile lighting. Wallet-sized and wirelessly powered, it gives bright, even light for stunning photos anywhere. It attaches to Android phones and iPhones with MagSafe and can draw power via USB-C or wirelessly from phones that support power sharing. Extras include a stand, diffuser, and external battery pack, making it a versatile tool for all your photography needs. Number 6. Graphics Drawing Tablet. If you're looking for an affordable way to get into digital art, this 10 by 6-inch graphics tablet is a solid starting point. Its textured surface is designed to feel similar to paper, giving you better control while sketching, illustrating, or editing photos. The battery-free stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing you to create everything from light pencil strokes to bold brush lines with impressive accuracy. 8 customizable expressions Express keys lets you assign your favorite shortcuts, helping speed up your workflow in programs like Photoshop, Krita, Clip Studio Paint, and Illustrator. It works with Windows, Mac OS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux, while the USB to USB-C connection makes setup quick and hassle-free. It's a reliable option for beginners, students, and hobbyists looking to improve their digital artwork. Number 5. Levitating Globe. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary hardcover book, but inside is a magnetic levitation system that creates a striking optical illusion. A precision-tuned electromagnet keeps the included globe suspended in mid-air, where it rotates freely with almost no friction once properly balanced. Built-in RGB LEDs inside the globe slowly cycle through multiple colors, creating a soft ambient glow that's ideal for a desk, shelf, or bedside table. Most versions are powered through a standard AC adapter and can stay levitating continuously as long as power is supplied. While the initial setup takes a little patience, buyers often mention that once the globe locks into position, it remains stable and becomes an instant conversation piece. Beyond its futuristic look, it blends science with home decor, making it popular as a gift for students, engineers, geography lovers, and anyone who enjoys unusual gadgets that stand out without taking up much space. Number 4. LOOI Robot Space. If your desk feels a little too quiet, LOOI brings a surprising amount of personality to it. Powered by ChatGPT, it can hold natural conversations, respond with humor, and remember both recent interactions and long-term details to make chats feel more personal over time. Its advanced visual recognition system can identify people, objects, gestures, and even understand the layout of the room around it. Expressive animations let it react with different emotions, making it feel more like a companion than a simple gadget. Beyond conversation, LOOI also doubles as a practical desktop assistant with 10-watt wireless charging, reminders, and a standby clock, turning your workspace into something that's both smarter and far more interactive. Number 3. Robotic Arm Kit. If you've ever wanted to experiment with robotics without building everything from scratch, the LeArm desktop robotic arm is a great place to start. Equipped with 6 digital servos, it can grab objects, move them with precision, and perform custom actions you program yourself. Anti-stall servos with built-in gear clutches help protect the motors during heavy use, while the all-metal frame, high-torque rotating base, and industrial-grade bearings keep movement smooth and stable. You can control it using a PC, mobile app, wireless controller, or even a mouse. Designed for students, engineers, and curious makers alike, it also includes step-by-step tutorials and beginner-friendly programming software, making it an excellent platform for learning robotics through real hands-on projects. Number 2. AeroSettees. Most side tables do little more than hold your coffee or collect clutter. The AeroSettees takes a very different approach by turning an ordinary piece of furniture into a multifunctional smart station. It features a built-in airflow system to help keep you cool, customizable RGB lighting that sets the mood, and a wireless charging pad for your phone. There's also an adjustable laptop stand for comfortable work or streaming, along with dedicated compartments to keep snacks, drinks, and everyday essentials organized. To round it all off, a premium Bluetooth speaker is built right in, letting you enjoy music, movies, or podcasts without adding another device to your setup. It's designed to make your living space cleaner, smarter, and far more convenient. Number 1. GravaStar Mars Speaker. If you're tired of the same plain black box speakers, this one brings a completely different vibe to your setup. With 3 mechanical legs and a futuristic shell, it looks more like a prop from a sci-fi movie than a Bluetooth speaker. The built-in LED lighting makes it stand out even more after dark, giving your desk or gaming space a unique look. But it's more than just a conversation piece. It delivers solid sound for music, videos, and gaming, while the rechargeable battery easily lasts through a full day of casual listening. So that's all for now. If you haven't liked the video yet, do it now. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with all the latest videos. Thank you for watching.